Hello guys, this is our research about the qualitative study assignment. I am Kanqi and my partner is Chenxi, Sun Xiayi, and Zhou Jing. Our research topic is English proficiency and academic performance of Chinese international students in Malaysia University. And the first part is introduction. English proficiency plays a leading role in the academic performance of international students and social interaction. There are many international students who lack proficiency in English skills face obstacles when interact with their teachers and classmates. The purpose of this study is to explore how the international students in UTM perceive their English proficiency and to help their overseas studies. And the next one is literature review. We focus on three aspects to review the past studies. First, the factors that influence students' academic performance, the impact the impact that English proficiency has on academic performance, and the relationship between international students' studies and their English proficiencies. That's all of my part, and the next part will be presented by my partner. Thank you.
This part is about methodology. We use qualitative method and an interview approach was adopted in this study to explore the influence of English proficiency on academic performance of international students in UTM. For Chinese students are elected from UTM to participate in this research, and interviews are conducted to each student to let them share their personal experience. The duration of each interview is between 5 to 10 minutes through WeChat video. And then here is the whole data collection and analysis process of this research. Number one is identify and familiarize with the data. The research listens to the video carefully and gets the meaning of the whole video, and then transcribes the video into a word video and check content word by word. Number two, find codes and themes from the data. Identify important codes and themes from the data. Number three, finalize the themes and name them. Look for the data that can be analyzed under the themes which is sought out in excerpt. Number four, review all the data to ensure that no data is left out and all the themes are specific. Number five, document analysis. Take advantage of unable to analyze the themes and draw conclusions about the research question as the follows chapter shows. Okay, that's all my part. Now let my partner Xiayi continue.
Hello, Doctor. I'm Sun Xiayi from the analysis. The findings are demonstrated in this graph. The right part of the graph are the factors that lead to less confidence of the Chinese international students, which include two sides, both internal factors that lie in the English abilities of the students and the external factors that prevent them from doing well in study. Internal factors means the reading, writing, speaking, and listening abilities that the students have when they start their study. The most common issue that Chinese students get into are vocabulary, writing habits, communication, and reading problems. External factors in this study include lack of English environment, low score in English exam, and accent. Most Chinese people learn a foreign language without having an environment that practice listening and speaking every day. Also, a low score in English test will lay a foundation of a low self-perceived English ability. Moreover, all interviews mentioned that the accent is a key factor that stand in the communication with people in abroad study. Now let's see the right part of this graph. English proficiency determines the experience of study in foreign country not only in academic aspects, but in the interactions with teachers and domestic students. Worse English proficiency means low quality of action with others. In academic performance, all interviewees believe that English abilities help a great deal in their study. Reading, writing, speaking, and listening are four essential abilities. To conclude, English proficiency as a direct reflection of students' English ability will directly affect students' listening, speaking, reading, and writing, as well as the life experience and interactions with all the lecturers and the domestic students. Both the internal and external factors have an effect on the Chinese international students' confidence and performance in school. Therefore, for international students, overcoming their English proficiency is an important aspect of improving their academic performance. That's all of our presentation. Thanks, Doctor.